Self-esteem and self-confidence are the two dimensions attributable to our entire personality and capabilities. They largely depend on the opinions of others and on the results of our own activities. However, the paradox is such that even if the entire world talks about our greatness or shortcomings, our self-esteem and self-confidence are not really affected, given that they are formed at a much deeper level. It's like the deep ocean waters. There is one picture on the surface. However, if you dive in, there is a completely different world, full of beautiful fish and dangerous predators. My new course, Top-Notch Confidence and Self-Esteem, is structured such that we carefully and gradually descend to the depth of our personality, discovering hidden treasures and obstacles. The goal of the course is to explore what holds us back, to improve our own wealth, and to start playing big in just 49 days. The course is based on 7 elements, the sum of which creates a solid foundation for top-level confidence and self-esteem. They are 1. The right motivation and goal setting. 2. Leaving the habit zone and the development of positive thinking. 3. Farewell to childish preferences and strengthening your boundaries. 4. Pacifying your internal critic. 5. Working with fears and accepting challenges. 6. Gaining competence in communication. 7. Self-positioning and building a distinct image. Each lesson specifically addresses individual elements. Homework is required between lessons and considered part of the overall plan, given that it has its own internal logic. Homework also includes watching movies, followed by questions. Those of you who have attended my training or individual coaching know that I use movie therapy to achieve better results. If you'd like to join us on this wonderful journey, you are very welcome. Sign up for the course and let's get started.